च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्तवत्यै नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसदि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Guru Pad Padma, Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satimad Bhakti Vedanta Sri Narayana Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously, offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Siddhar Goswami, Bhakti Puri Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis presented, all of my respectful guests. So today is very super excellent, auspicious day, and today is Shukla Paksha, Dadashi Tithi, and also the three Goswamis, their appearance and disappearance day. So today is very super excellent, auspicious day. Just I want to speak about their life history and contribution, especially Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, who was very nearest dearest of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu traveled in East Bengal, then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came his father's house. His father's name was Tapan Mishra. And, and they were Vaishnav and fully surrender to lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And then Tapan Mishra, the father of Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, asked to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the, in my dream, I was very anxious in this Kali Yuga, what is the sadhan and sadha? I cannot determine myself. And so for this regard, and I was confused what to do, what not to do. And then in my dream, one Brahman had come and Brahman told, and hey, Tapan Mishra, don't worry. And Nimai Pandit has come. Maybe Nimai Pandit will give the perfect answer about your question. In this way, that Brahman disappeared from his dream, and, and he told the and he met with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Sadha Sadhan Datta Janibe Nam Sankirtan. In this Kali Yuga, you may understand everything Sadha and Sadhan. Sadha means the goal, Sadhan means our practice, bhakti. eh? And everything we may realize is Nam Sankirtan. So when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu traveled in East Bengal, that time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu married with Lakshmi Priya, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that time he is called also Nimai Pandit, and everybody also called him Nimai Pandit. And so when Nimai Pandit he came in when he traveled in East Bengal and came in the house of Raghunath Bhatta Goswami's house, that means Tapan Mishra, and there Tapan Mishra and his wife very eagerly they also worshipped lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that was Nimai Pandit, and that time Tapan Mishra he also asked this question: in this Kali Yuga, who is our Ishta Deva, worshipful deities, and how will real and what is our Shraddha and Sadhan? And that time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, everything you may realize in Nama Sankirtan. Because in this Kali Yuga, there are no any option to attain to Lord. Only Nama Sankirtan. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he recited this verse, Kritijo Dhyatu Vishnum, Tritayang Jajate Mokhai, Dapare Paricharjang, Kalu Tadhari Sankirtanam. Kritaja Dhyatu Vishnu. And in Satyajug, Kritajug means Satyajug. In Satyajug, only you may meditate to Lord. Krito Vishnu, Dhyan, meditation. Tritang Jajate Mokhai, in Tritajug, you may perform fair sacrifice. Dapare Paricharjayang, in Dapar Jug, you may worship to Lord Paricharja and Pujan. Or Kalu and Keswanama Sankirtan, in this Kali Yuga, only Nam Sankirtan. And Hare Nama, Hare Nama Iva Kevalam, Kalu Nasteva Gatiran Natha. And in this Kali Yuga, there are no any other process. Attain our higher perfection goal. Only Nam Sankirtan. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told in this Kali Yuga, Nam Sankirtan, that is called sadhan and saddha. And by the performing of Nam Sankirtan, and then we will attain our highest perfection. For this regard, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recited this verse, Sikshastak first look, Chetudarpanamarjanam Bhavamaha Dabhag Nirvapanam Sriya Kairva Chandrika Vidarnam Vidyabudhu Jivanam Anandam Mudi Vardhanam Pratipadam Puranam Mrita Sadhanam Sarvatma Srapanam Parang Vijayati Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. So, Nam Sankirtan. eh, And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also told to them, you have to, uh, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also told to them, you have to go to Kasi, and soon I will come in Kasi and meet with you. So Tapan Mishra, he also left East Bengal and he came in Kasi. And when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas and came in the house of Tapan Mishra. This katha also mentioned in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Now of coming in Raghunath Bhatta Goswami's life history. And Danda Pranama Kari Bhatta Porila Charane Prabhu Raghunath Boli Koila Lingane. When Raghunath Bhatta Goswami's father and mother, they left East Bengal and came in Kashi. And so Raghunath Bhatta Goswami was staying in there, and he remembered about Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, because that time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was Grihastha. And that time he also served to Lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. For this regard, and when Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, he came in Jagannath Puri, and that time his mind was little bit doubt. Will Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will remember to me or not? And but when Raghunath Bhatta Goswami came Kasi to Jagannath Puri, then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and embraced to him, and also asked how are you, and with love and affection, and in this way. For this regard, Chaitanya Charitamritam, Anta Lila, and 13th chapter 101, where here Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained. Danda pranama kari bhatta parila charane Prabhu Raghunath boli koila lingane. And then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu embraced to him and also uttered, Hey Raghunath, how are you? And so in this way, when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu embraced to Raghunath Bhatta, then all his inauspiciousness and dukkha removed from his heart. And so Raghunath Bhatt, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very smiled and also ad, addressed him, Hey Raghunath, and how are you? Then Raghunath Bhatta Goswami's heart melted, and tears rolling down from his eyes. And then he also hold the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And, Raghunath Bhatta Goswami told, "O Prabhu, you are so merciful and generous." And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also told, "I came your house many years before my sannyas. I came your house. That time your parents very lovely and served to me. Um, I can't to forget their love and affection. How your mother, she cooked many kinds of preparation for me. And in this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and remember when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was staying in their house in East Bengal. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also glorified to Raghunath Bhatta Goswamis in front of all the senior Vaishnavas. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also brought some Jagannath Prasad and also distribute all the devotees and gave to him also. And Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, he also brought many kinds of preparation for Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And also Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also very pleased. And then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Govinda, and you can keep all these things. And because Bhaktir Drabba Prabhu Kari Kari Khai, Abhaktir Drabba Prabhu Ulotiana Chai. Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, how he was pure devotee and love and affection with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. For this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told his personal servant Govinda and all these prasad and which he brought, you keep carefully, and also and one day by day, you also offer to me. And here Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu so much happy with Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, because Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, he brought all these preparation from Kasi. Eh? Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also again remind to him, "Yeah, your father and your father was generous person and you are learned and scholar. When I was staying in your house, he also asked me about Sadha Sadhan Tattva. And then I then also and I gave all the information. And then also Chaitanya Mahaprabhu remind to him, your father told me in his dream one Brahman had come, and Brahman told, and the one and person will come, your house is non different from Naranarayan. And Manusya ne hote ho Naranarayan, Nararupe Lila Kare Jagat Karan. And in this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu remind to him. And then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also told, hey, Raghunath Bhatta, and I was very happy with your parents. And I also, that time you also served my lotus feet, and, and you wanted to come with me, but I told no, you have to stay in your house and serve your old parents. And, but I also told you, don't you uh, enter in your household life, don't you marry. And so in this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu laughed and joked, and he told Raghunath Bhatta, and could you remember when I was staying in your house, and I also give this information. And then Raghunath Bhatta Goswami very pleased with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, because Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, when he was coming from Kashi to Jagannath Puri. On the way, and in his mind, so many doubts came. For this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu spontaneously and told, and all these katha remind to him, and in this way, Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, he received the received the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Raghunath Bhatta Goswami and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, hey Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, and you have to return back your house, and still your parents are alive. When your parents will departed from this material world, then you return back. You uh, when your parents will be departure from this material world, then we will go Jagannath. What is called? Um, no, Vrindavan Dham, and you stay with Rup and Sanatan. And Mahaprabhu, in this way, he also advised to him. And in this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Karunamaya Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he took sannyas. That means Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he returned back East Bengal preaching. And then when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu returned back his home Navadvip Dham, then his wife Lakshmi Priya, she also left body. And Viraha, and that means Lakshmi Priya, she could not tolerate separation from Lord Chaitanya Prabhu Nimai Pandit. And, but externally explained, and she also left her body to biting the snakes. And Sarvaghati Tahar Mrityu. And but it is not the perfect. And our Goswamis and explain actual Vishnu Lakshmi Priya Devi, she can't to tolerate separation from Nimai Pandit. And when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu heard this, then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu just couple and minutes he became very serious, and he also pacified his mother Sachi Devi, because Sachi Devi and Ishan Thakur, they became very sad because Lakshmi Devi, she left her body. And then Mahaprabhu also pacified to them, and don't worry, and according to the call time, all we are meeting together according to the time, or we separate from each others. And kal sarvam kalang kritang manne, everything's and everything happened by call. So in this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that means Nimai Pandit, that time Nimai Pandit, he also specified to Lord Sachi Mata, and also his her what is it called, house servant Ishan Thakur. And then later Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he married with Vishnu Priya Devi. And then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he also left his house. That means he took sannyas. Then he came in Jagannath Puri, because Mother Suchi Devi, she also told Nimai, you should not go in Vrindavan Dham. Because Vrindavan is very far from Navadvip. But you have to stay in Jagannath Puri. Matri Bhakta Sirvani Sachinandani Gaur Hari. And for this regard, he was staying in Jagannath Puri. And then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu traveled South India and different places. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu proceeded to Vrindavan, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in Kasi, and he was staying in the house of Tapan Misra. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was staying in the house of Tapan Misra, but Lord Chaitanya and in Kasi also Chandrasekhar house, but Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu every day took Mahaprasad and from the house of and Tapan Mishra. And then when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and he also preaching in there, but in Kasi so many Mayavadis and they criticize to Vaishnavas and but Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and did not and associate with the Mayavadi and after a few days then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again he proceeded to Vrindavan and then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu after taking darshan Vrindavan then Lord Chaitanya again returned back and in no Kasi. Then he also gave mercy to Mayavadis and this way also explained Chaitanya Charitamrita when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and came in Kasi. That time Tapan Mishra he was taking and bath in the Ganga Manikarnika Ghat in Kasi and that time suddenly heard thousand people they are chanting holy names Nam Sankirtan Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare. Eh? Harinam Sankirtan. Then all the Kasivasis is complete flooded with the Nam divine love of Nam Sankirtan. And समस्त काशीवासी महाप्रभु के प्रेम समुद्र में प्रवाहित होने लगे. So that time Tapan Mishra he also called him and and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu he was staying in the house of Tapan Mishra and also Chandrasekhar and he also served to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. One day one Maharashtra Vipra, Maharashtra Vipra very humble. He also asked Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu take prasad in his house, but Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and he would not associate with Mayavadis. But again and again that Brahman he also asked Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu take prasad in house, and that time he also called the Mayavadi sannyasis, especially Prakashananda Saraswati. And then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in the house of Maharashtra Brahmana. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also discussed about Shankar philosophy. Then Lord Chaitanya cut all the Shankar philosophies and then he gave mercy to um, Prakashananda Saraswati. In this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave mercy and in all the Kasivasis. And then Raghunath Bhatta and Raghunath Tapan Mishra and he told Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu stay in my house more few days. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, hey Tapan Mishra, and I am sannyasi, I have to return back in Jagannath Puri. And that time Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, and he was very learned and scholars person, and he also again told Prabhu, I want to go with you. That time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, hey Raghunath, your mother and father they are Vaishnava. So you have to serve the lotus feet of your Vaishnavas, mother and father. No, you go, no, don't need to travel with me. And but when your parents will departed from this material world, then you will go Vrindavan and stay with Rup and Sanatan. And in this way, Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, he received the mercy from Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And then after few years, Raghunath Bhatta Goswami's parents, and they also left body. Then Raghunath Das Goswami, Raghunath Bhatta, and he also came in Jagannath Puri and met with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And on the way, Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, he also brought lot of and delicious food for Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That time one learned and scholar person, his name was Ramdas. He also and and he also proceed with him to Jagannath Puri, and he told Ramdas also told, I can carry all your luggage on my head. That time there was no any convention to go to Jagannath Puri. Most of the people they also travel on foot. Eh, pa- So that Ramdas, that landed scholar person, and he also took all the luggage from him, and he walked with Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, and in this way Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, and he came in Jagannath Puri, and he met with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, and first you take darshan to first you take bath in Jagannath, first you take bath in ocean, then you take darshan to Lord Jagannath. In this way, Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, he took he took bath in ocean. Later, he also took darshan to Jagannath. And he also gave all the prasad to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu personal servant Govinda. Um, then Mahaprabhu, when he saw all these delicious food and many kinds of preparation, and what did he brought? We bring Lord Chaitanya very pleased. Um, then Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, he was staying with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu about 8 or 9 months at Namas. And he was staying with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Um, and especially at the time of Jagannath festival, and how Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was dancing, singing in front of Lord Jagannath. Then Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, um, he became very surprised. And then after Jagannath um, card festival, then 4 months, and that is called Chaturmasya came. Then he was staying with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu 4 months, and every day he listened Hari Katha. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, and he you have to return back to Jagannath, Vrindavan. Then he came in Vrindavan and he met with Rup and Sanatan. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and also sent him and Jagannath Prasad, and, also one big and garland of Lord Jagannath. And Choddhad Brahma Prasadi Mala or Tambul Mahaprasad, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave him many kinds of things to him. Then Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, he came in Vrindavan, and then he was staying with Rup and Sanatan. And Rup Sanatan, when they heard about Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's this type of love and affection, then Rup and Sanatan, they completely absorbed in separation of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and they also embraced Raghunath Bhatta. And, in this way, Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, he was staying with Rup and Sanatan. But Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, he also giving Bhagavad class, and especially Raghunath Bhatta Goswami's his what is called tune, tune was very sweet. That is like Kokila Kantha. Kokila Kantha man means his voice is as like Kukubars. And and, Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, he read Srimad Bhagavatam, all the slokas, different tunes, eh, and everybody charmed. And, and so for this regard, sometimes Rupa or Sanatan, they also used to come in his Bhagavat Katha. Chaitanya Charitamrita Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also eaten. And रूप गोसाई सभाई करे भागवत पठन भागवत पढ़िते प्रेमे आउलाई तार मन অশ্রু কম্প গদগদ প্রভুর কৃপাতে নেত্র নেত্রে কণ্ঠরোদে বাষ্প না পারি পারি পড়িতে। And in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Antolila, 13th chapter, and slok number 126 and 27. And here Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explain. Sometimes, and Rupa and Sanatan, they also used to come in the Bhagavad part of Raghunath Bhatta Goswami. And Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, when he discussed about Krishna Katha from Srimad Bhagavatam, then his heart completely had melted and tears rolling down from his eyes. And sometimes his throat completely had choked. He cannot read any slokas. And so here Osru Kampa Gada Gada Prabhur Kipate Netra Konstrate Baswana Purite. And especially Raghunath Das Goswami, when he recited the verses of Srimad Bhagavatam and different tunes also, Rag Ragini. And so for this regard, many people so much attracted with the Raghunath Bhatta Goswami's Bhagavad Katha. And also, Raghunath Bhatta Goswami is one rich disciple. He also built this Govinda Dev temple. Understand? Here also mentioned in Shastra. Raghunath Bhatta Goswami is one richest disciple. He also built the Govinda Dev temple, and especially Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, he also used to keep that the garland which Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sent from Jagannath Puri, and day and night he also remembered to have Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and our six Goswamis. And among of the six Goswamis, Raghunath Bhatta Goswami also he is very nearest and dearest of all the devotees. Sankha Purvaka Nama Gana Nativi Kalavasana Krito Nidra Ahara Vihar Vichinu Jato Radha Krishna Gunasmiti Mudhima Anandana Sarmohito Bandi Rupa Sanatano Raghujugo Sijiva Gopaloko. Srinivas Acharya, he also composed this verse of Sat Goswami Ashtakam. So Raghunath Bhatta Goswami day and night and absorbed with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But one thing, we did not get any book, written book by Raghunath Bhatta Goswami. रघुनाथ भट्ट गोस्वामी के कोई लिखित ग्रंथ हम लोग के मिला ही नहीं आज तक. We don't know he wrote or not. But fifth Goswami, another fifth Goswamis, they wrote many granthas as like Rup Goswami Pad, Sanatan Goswami Pad, Raghunath Das Goswami Pad, and also Jiva Goswami Pad, and Sirup Sanatan Bhatt Raghunath Siji Gopal Bhattaran. But we did not get any book, written book by Raghunath Bhatta Goswami. But we heard Raghunath Das Goswami, Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, he was very expert, give the Bhagavad Katha. For this regard, everybody also and absorbs to listen his Hari Katha, Bhagavad Katha. So in our Goswami, Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, he also, once he was giving Bhagavad Katha, especially discussed about Srimati Radhika Dibba Unmad Dasa, Transcendental Madness, Brahmar Git Katha, and different twin and different ways he also glorified about Srimati Radhika Dibba Unmad Dasa, Transcendental Madness of Srimati Radhika. And then everybody completely what? And intoxicated, and everybody's tears rolling down from their eyes and head standing in this way. But in the assembly's house, Rupa Goswami Pad was staying, and but Rupa Goswami's no any kinds of symptom of prema dasha and romanchakam vastu, everything's nothing, and manifested in the heart of in the body of Rupa Goswami Pad. And one day one learned person he came, and he also asked to one devotee. We heard Rupa Goswami Pad is very prominent Vaishnava and he is Mahabhagavat. And but when he heard this katha from the lotus lips of Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, but his heart not melted, no tears rolling down, nothing these things. And, and that time another person told to the learned scholar person, you don't know the heart of Rupa Goswami path. And so for this you can bring one piece of paper, a piece of what is called cotton, and then he put the piece of cotton and in front of the nose stage of Rupa Goswami path. Then the fire coming and that the cotton completely was burned. That means inside uh, of the body of Rupa Goswami path, so much viraha separation has come. And then that Pandit, he surprised and he completely surrendered Lotus feet of Rupa Goswami path and Raghunath Bhatta Goswami path. And in this way, and there are so many pastimes and our Goswamis, they also explain in this way. And especially and Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, he always remember and Mahaprabhu's instruction. Mahaprabhu also told him, Dhamma Varta na sune na kare jihai, Krishna Katha pujite ashta prahar jai. And Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, and he never talked in mundane talk. And in his tongue, never criticize any Vaishnava, nothing. And day and night, he also worshipped his Thakurji Krishna Katha or Krishna Pujaite Ashtaprahar Jai. And 8 Prahar and 8 Jam, Raghunath Bhatta Goswami completely absorbed Krishna Katha and Krishna Puja. Especially Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, he was expert to discuss about Srimad Bhagavad Kathamritam. Understand these things. Nigamakal Phalam Sukam Khadam Tadrabasam Jutam Pibata Bhagavata Rasamalam Muhuro Rusika Bhuvi Bhavuka. So Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, for this regard, he always absorbed to discuss about Srimad Bhagavad Kathamritam. Tava Kathamritam Tapta Jivanam Kabibiriditam Kalmasahapaham Sravana Mangalam Srimadatam Bhuvi Grinanti Te Bhurida Jana. And so in this way, Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, day and night, he also absorbed about Srimad Bhagavad Kathamritam. Eh? And he also worshipped Thakurji in Gaur Ganadesh Dipika. Eh? Mention his transcendental constitution from Siddhadeha Parichaya. Here Gaur Ganadesh Dipika. And also mention Raghunatha Kena Bhattapuraja Ragamanjari Silvajalila Jini Ragamanjari. And Gaur Ganadesh Dipika mention Raghunath Bhatta Goswami. And in Radhan Krishna Lila, he was Ragamanjari. And in Mahaprabhu Lila, that is called Raghunath Bhatta Goswami. And in our Sar Goswamis took Raghunath. One is called Raghunath Bhatta, another is called Raghunath Das. And so today also Raghunath Das Goswamis and apparently also Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswamis, but our time is very short. So we have no time. Maybe next time we also discuss about Raghunath Das Goswami life history and his contribution, and also Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, and who wrote Chaitanya Charitamritam, and Krishnadas Kaviraj Rasika Sabaromaj, and Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, he is very Rasik Vaishnava, and who wrote and Govinda Lilamrit Grantha, and 8 Ashtajam Lila Katha in there. And so Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, and he also manifested Krishnadas Chaitanya Charitamritam. And so today also Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is his and life history. And Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami very humble. He told मोर नाम जई सुने तार पाप क्षय। ए जे ना जय मोर नाम जई सुने तार पाप হয়, मोर नाम যেই লয় তার পুণ্য ক্ষয়। জগাই মধাই হইতে মুইস পাপিষ্ট, পুরুষের কীট হইতে মুইসের লঘিষ্ঠ। মোর নাম যেই শুনে তার পুণ্য ক্ষয়, মোর নাম যেই লয় তার পাপ হয়, এমন জগাই মাধাই হইতে মুইসে পাপিষ্ট। জগাই মাধাই হইতে মুইসে পাপিষ্ট। So in this way, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, very humble, he explained in this way, and I'm very wretched and completely what, and useless person, and one who utter my name, he will lose his punna, and one who and remember my name, and he will go hell. More নাম যেই লয় তার পুণ্য খায়, মোর নাম যেই শুনে তার পাপ হয়, এমন নির্ঘৃণ্য মর্জি কেবা কৃপা করে, এক নিত্যানন্দ বিনু জগত মাঝারি। কৃষ্ণদাস কবিরাজ গোস্বামী, very humble, he told, and I have no place to stay anywhere, because I am very wretched person. Who will give me shelter? Ek Nityananda Binu Jagat Majhari. And only Nityananda Prabhu, he will give me shelter unto his lotus feet. And then he also came in Vrindavan. Then he wrote Chaitanya Charitamritam and also Govinda Lilamrit Grantha. And so Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, today is very special appearance day. So today is very special auspicious day. And also Raghunath Das Goswami's and was very near to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he was Krishna Lila. He's called Rati Manjari, and many times he also discussed about Raghunath Das Goswami, and he got association of Haridas Thakur, and in his early age, and met with Haridas Thakur, and for this he has so much taste about Nam Sankirtan. Then he received Diksha mantra from Jadunandan Acharya, and then he left his house, and again he left his house, but his father and brought and also arranged his marriage ceremony with very nice, beautiful and young girl. But Lord Raghunath Das, he was not and attached with the bride. And so Lord Raghunath Das Goswami, he left his house, and he also came and met with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Santipur. That time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave many instruction. Um, the, what is it? And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave many instruction to Raghunath Das Goswami. And যে অন্তর নিষ্ঠা করো বাহ্যে লোক ব্যবহার অচিরাতি কৃষ্ণ তোমায় করিবেন and উদ্ধার। And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, you should not become mad and do bhajan and sadhan. When your time will come, then Lord Chaitanya, then Lord Krishna will deliver you from this material world and you attain to Lord. And so in this way, Raghunath Das Goswami, and he was staying in his house, and then he left his house and by the causeless mercy of his Guru, Jadunandan Acharya, and he met with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Jagannath Puri, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took his hand, offered in the hand of Sarup Damodar. For this regard, everybody called him Saruper Raghu. Then Raghunath Goswami, he was staying with Sarup Damodar in Sadasan Tila, and Raghunath Sarup Damodar, what did he heard and about Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Every day, night time, he also talked with Raghunath Das Goswami, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Lila Katha. And then Raghunath Das Goswami has so much love and affection with all the Vaishnava in Jagannath Puri. When Lord Chaitanya departed from this material world, then after a few days, Sarup Damodar and all the associate Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, one day by day, they departed from this material world. Then Raghunath Das Goswami, he felt pang of separation from them. Then he came in Vrindavan. He was staying with Rupa Goswami and Sanatana Goswami, and day and night absorbing Nam's Harinam, and remembering sweet pastimes of Srimati Radhika. Especially he was staying on the bank of Radha Kunda, and he also recited many slokas in his own grantha that is called uh, uh, Raghunath Das Goswami's. And he recited all the slokas, and one by one Puspanjali offered the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. And for this regard, this grantha is called, क्या ना ग्रंथ के नाम है? Raghunath Das Goswami Bilap Kusumanjali. This very and Raghunath Das Goswami, he wrote also many granthas, and, and but after few years, then Rupa and Sanatan departed from this material world. Then Raghunath Das Goswami, he cannot tolerate separation from Rupa Goswami, and day and night he was crying, and then he also performed bhajan and sadhan on the bank of Radha Kunda, and still Srimati Radhika also, and cover on his head from the rays of the sun. In this way, many Harikatha in many sweet pastimes in there, and Sanatana Goswami's love and affection. Sanatana Goswami also built one and cottage for him, and day and night he was reading Srimad. Day and night he recited the glorification of Srimati Radhika. And then Raghunath Das Goswami, after a few years, then he departed from this material world and entered in Aprakita Golok Vrindavan, and in the form of Rati Manjari and served to divine Guru Radha and Krishna. So in this way, very briefly and shortly, I also explain Raghunath Das Goswami's life history. How did he perform bhajan and sadhan? And so, and Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Kosturi Manjari, and so many Harikathas. So today is very super excellent, auspicious day. Raghunath Bhatta Goswami and also Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami and Raghunath Das Goswami's their and appearance and disappearance day. So I paid to all the Vaishnav, and one day I will perform bhajan and sadhan, and as like Raghunath Das Goswami, Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय. Now 5 o'clock, I have to prepare, go to Hindi class. And thank you for your kindness. And maybe day after tomorrow, I will give Harikatha and 4 p.m. And thank you for your kindness. See you again. And जय जय श्री राधे. बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय. जय जय श्री राधे. बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय. गौर प्रेमानंदी हरि हरि. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Today anybody what is called birthday? Haripul?
No, pronounce Gurudev.
No announce.
No, yeah, we have one birthday, but
who is?
Ragalika.
Pranam Gurudev, pranam.
Okay, Haribol. How are you, Raglika Didi ki jai? Okay, just Sasti Vachan and take flowers and